Hey there, Touchboards Nation, it's Anthony here. Today I want to show you some great wireless systems we have from KinectIQ. Now there's 3 different versions, even though I've only got one here, so I'm going to tell you about them. First is the KinectIQ Air, which is this HDMI transmitter, and then a little HDMI receiver, which I don't have, but it'll give you a wireless video connection between something like your laptop, right here, and a flat panel, a TV screen, a projector, whatever you want to hook it up to. Real nice wireless video, works great, easy to use. Next, we build on that, and we have the KinectIQ Pro. Now the Pro is the same transmitter, but we've got this big receiver here. Now this will mount and then plug into your flat panel or your projector, and it's going to give you Android. So you're going to be able to use Android, run apps, go online, do all that good stuff on your regular TV, your commercial display, or even your projector. So you'll have the wireless video, Android running on here. Basically, you've got a little computer. And last but not least, and the system that I'm holding in front of me, is the KinectIQ Plus, which builds on that even more. So we've got our video, we've got Android, and we've got touch control with USB. So I can now connect my laptop to my interactive flat panel display wirelessly. And we're going to have wireless video and wireless touch control. So I'm going to hook this up real quick, show you how it works, and I think you're going to be impressed. So hang on one second. Oh, let's see. So we have to take our KinectIQ receiver and hook it up to our TV screen here with HDMI and a USB cable. And then lastly, we need power, because nothing works without power. All right, so we've got our receiver connected to our flat panel, HDMI and USB. And now they give you this little HDMI extender for the transmitter. So we're going to plug that in because it allows us to actually plug it into the laptop here. So that goes into the HDMI out on our laptop. Now that transmitter needs power, so you get a USB cable which you'll plug in and then plug into a USB port on the computer. So that's all set up. And now we just have the USB dongle for our touch control. That goes into another USB port right here. I just have to change the input on our panel so we can see our KinectIQ. There it is. And be coming up now. So there we have it. That's our KinectIQ screen. So it's got some nice pictures already in there. It'll cycle through, but you may not be able to see it from here, but we've got a web browser. You've got annotation built in. You've got the KinectIQ wireless presentation. So you've got a lot of different tools in here that you can use. Now, once it's all set up and turned on, you press the button for presentation. It actually gives you instructions right on screen, so you know exactly what you have to do. And then once you're paired and connected, you're going to see your computer screen down below. When I want to see it full screen, I just press this button, and there we have it. We'll see that little circle as the USB connects, and now we have the Touchboards website showing the KinectIQ on it. What a weird coincidence. But I mentioned we have touch control, and sure enough, we have touch control. So you see there's the KinectIQ Air, and the Plus, and the Pro. So there they all are. I can control this computer just as I would if it were plugged in with a USB cable and an HDMI cable, but right now it's completely wireless. So just to prove that to you, I'm going to pick this up. This is my laptop connected to the panel. I'm controlling it right here. Completely wireless. Enough said, right? I mean, that's basically it. If you need to have wireless HDMI, if you need to have wireless control of your computer from your interactive smart board, interactive flat panel, whatever you want to call it, this is a great way to go about doing it. It works real well. It's easy to set up. You saw how I just plugged that in and it popped up on screen there. You have to pair it initially, but every time after that, you come in the morning, turn it on, there it is. You know, not much to it. It works great, and I think this is a great solution for you. So if you've got questions, you give us a call here at 866-942-6273. Tell them you watched the video with Anthony in it. We'll answer any questions and get you a great price. Take care.